Hi there, you're welcome to another video. I'm going to fuse up. Hi there, you're mer- Hi there, you're welcome to another video. I usually make mistakes during recording, so everybody is bound to make mistakes. So when you make mistakes, what do? Do you start the video all over again? No, I'm going to show you tips what I do when I make mistakes when I'm recording a video. Okay, so let's say, for instance, if you make a mistake, like if you notice at the beginning of this video I was making some mistake because I was getting distracted by my neighbor. Sometimes you could be distracted by your neighbor, maybe the generator just comes up, or somebody in the kitchen made some noise, or somebody outside, like for instance the World Cup is on, and if there is a goal being scored, you hear loud noise. So what do? Do you cut do you start the video all over again? No, you edit that out. So what do I do, or what do I do when I experience such? This is what I do. I remain silent for close to 5 seconds. So whenever I see the audio wave, this is the audio waveform. So when I see this and I see the long silence, I know that there is an error in here. Okay, so I need to cut that out. So that is one. Sometimes you may make some normal errors. You don't, it depends on the audience, depending on the audience that you are making the video for. You just continue. That's part of the entertainment, so but some other times, if you make mistake, you don't need to stop. You just need, yeah, you don't need to start the video all over again. Sorry, what you just need to do is repeat again. Let's say, for instance, you start the video with "hi there, you're welcome," and probably you only said "hi there" and you continued. So immediately you can stop for like 5 seconds, then you start all over again. It's still in the same recording. Okay, I'm talking about is because you're going to edit that out. In subsequent videos to come, I'm going to show you how to edit out such mistakes. Okay, so don't stop the video, keep recording. All right, give it time, 5 seconds, so that you will see the gap in the wave form. Okay, you just set a silence in the audio waveform. All right, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.